Daily stock market update. Here we go. Good news if you're in equities, of course, like my clients on the Great Investments Program. It's the 18th of May, just after US Open. Morgan Stanley's Mike Wilson has hiked the S&P 500 target to 8,300. Remember, this was the man who said at the start of the year we should expect about a 14% dip. We got, I think, about 10% drop, and he said, okay, that's the bottom of the market. That's fair enough. I'll give him that. And 8,300 to the upside. However, he does strike some notes of caution. Those notes of caution being that the equity premium, the so-called equity premium, which I'll get to in a second, the extra risk you are paid in order to hold stocks over just risk-free bonds, has gone down to zero. So you don't actually have an incentive to hold equities. Now, I'll explain that in a second and what that could mean for the stock market. As things stand, US stocks have been surging on talks of ceasefire in the Middle East. Well, there was one about a year ago anyway, so maybe we should be at where we were a year ago. Just animal spirits and positivity. It's really strong profits out of AI companies. Those few AI companies delivering strong profits. Profits is the key. If there's no profits, you've got a problem. If profits are exceeding expectations, that's even better. And expectations are not as high as the profits. And the reason for that is we're finding it really hard to believe these profits are so phenomenal. That's not to say those earnings are in any way fake. It's just they are exceptional. Let's be absolutely clear. What else have we got on that front? Well, there's the equity risk premium. It's shrunk towards zero. What that means is you're being paid in to hold bonds, risk-free government debt. Think of it like bank interest, about the same as the long-term return in equities. So why is that happening, and why are people not leaving the stock market and just putting it into a bank account? The reason is they expect to get more than the long-term rate on equities. They expect to get more than 5.5% or so. They expect to be getting 10 to 15%. That's why they're holding it. So the economists are still trying to catch up and understand this because they've been taught on outdated stock market books. Now, that's not to say this time it's different. What we're saying is that you are getting paid more and more to take your money out of the stock market and put it, let's say, into a safe bank account. However, the kind of people who are going to do that, of which there are millions and there's trillions of money, are probably not the ones who, in the first place, invested in Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet in any event. Now, they might have done through pension funds and wealth managers, but those wealth managers, the reason they don't grow that much, your pensions, they don't grow your pensions because they would have put so little into those stocks. So those stocks can continue going up and the stock market can continue hitting all-time highs because the kind of growth stocks it's in are not the kind you, if you were looking for low growth, safety, were ever interested in to begin with. So this whole S&P 500 equity risk premium shrinks towards zero as a warning sign won't work as well as it's done in the past. It's just that we're in a perverse period where a very narrow group of companies are growing their profitability thanks to AI faster than we're expecting. There'll come a point where those companies go vertical, they become astronomical, and no matter what profits they deliver, it's inconceivable they can continue growing at that rate, just simple maths. And therefore, there will be a pullback. We're not there yet, not at these levels yet. We don't have that, what might be called an exhaustion rally quite yet. But that's where we are on the equity risk premium. The biggest news item to come out this week, it'll be Nvidia's earnings on Wednesday. We've got a database for our clients that we show them, a little dashboard for our clients on the Great Investments Program, which shows that a month after those earnings, whether there's a big exceeding of expectations, whether there's a medium beating, or whether they even miss or are in line, a month later, the odds are that you're up on Nvidia. So we're not going to gamble it in the short term. We're just going to keep calm, hold through it. And any short-term noise we know will be short-term noise on that, and we won't be disturbed or worried by it. That's where everything stands on the market update. Told you the most important bits. Oil at just below 110 US dollars. That won't impact the stock market unless central banks decide to raise interest rates because they see higher oil prices as inflationary. Like I said, it's a supply side shock. It's almost an infrastructure shock. By reducing demand, will double the pain. And the higher price of oil is already acting in a deflationary manner, adding to interest rates, increasing interest rates would be economically illiterate, which is why of the 9 members of the Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee who set interest rates, only one of them said they should raise interest rates and the others said they shouldn't. 8 of them are reading the same economics books as sensible people are, and one of them is missing the plot and doesn't quite understand how the economy works. How do I know this? Well, the other 8 disagreed with him. Okay, so that's where we are on the market update for today. Keep an eye on this. Save this video, follow, like, comment. The more interaction you have with it, the more people will see it. The more people who see it, the more of these I will do. So let me know you've liked it. Let me know you've enjoyed it, and you'll get more of these. Thank you all very much indeed. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com. We've got a ton of free resources on there, as well, as I always say. Any questions, just email me, okay? We do free pension reviews for people as well. So have a look, and hope to see you at one of my public events in London, many of which are coming very soon, and they're all going to be free as well. So like, follow, comment, subscribe through alpeshpatel.com/links, and you'll be kept posted. Thank you very much.